If you're an individual who is looking to make money working from home, you're going to need a highly sought after product or service. And if you're an individual who are looking to generate more traffic and leads for your business, well, I don't think I have to explain that to you guys. Anyway, guys, you're in a great place and you're in a great space because we're going to actually show you how to start doing both. Now, when we talk about the product or service, guys, oh, did I mention you can market and promote anything that you want using this system by actually branding it 100% to yourself? Oh, no, I didn't. We'll talk about that later, guys. But right now, we're talking about the big banner ads login starter ad strategy. Okay, and this has got me super pumped up and super excited, and I'm going to talk about a product that you guys can have right now to market. Right, you're going to lead with this as you unlock your marketing system. It's totally optional, guys, but highly recommended. And that product is actually my 1 million ways to market list building techniques, tactics, strategies, tools, resources, and God only knows how many resources that we have inside that product package. That product package can become the product package that you connect to this button when we're finished with this training, and we'll pay you out any way you choose. Zelle, Venmo, Stripe, debit, credit, even a check in the mail, guys. It's all up to you. But that's how we do it. You guys, I'm going to show you guys exactly what that actual product package contains. We're going to go inside the members area. Now, if you notice on my actual marketing system, I have a countdown timer. And you know why, guys? Because I want to actually create some scarcity, right? Here's the deal. You do not have to sell something to someone who already has a desperate need for it, guys. All you really have to do is to present it and make it available. That's what I want to talk about in this video. This is the product that can become your own product. This is the product that you can move for $7.99. This is the product where when you do, those payments will come straight to you. And this is the product that you can make that button, make that happen. And when people send you $7.99, you simply redirect them to this members area. What's in the members area? Guys, I can't really tell you everything that's in the members area because it's actually literally too much to go through. What I can tell you is you will never run out of traffic and lead generation sources ever again. Let me repeat that. You will never run out of traffic and lead generation sources ever again, because it's all inside of my 1 million ways to market big banner ads marketing strategy members area. You guys get to pick this up for one-time $7.99 payment, right? And then you get to move it through this funnel for $7.99. For some of you guys who had to work with all the move it for more, you can. I can tell you guys somewhere in the near future, it's going to go up for the membership because I'm always adding real-time value to the members area, if that makes sense. So what's inside? Okay, guys, the very first thing you're going to learn is I'm going to take you guys over to an actual website, and I'm going to give you guys some free banners, okay? Over a dozen of them, different sizes, right? And we're going to implement, well, first thing I'm going to show you is how to download those banners and save them on your computer, on your desktop, right? On, how to save these banners. Then, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to upload these banners and start driving traffic into your lead capture page for just pennies on the dollar. I made some special banners, and so they will actually, you're going to see how they really come into play when we get into that platform, because every traffic source that we use is always different. Anyway, you guys will find out when you go through the training and all the training on this page. I will tell you guys that also on this website, on inside my members area, you guys are going to find what I call the big, I call it, and now I changed it, guys. It's the login ad maximizer. Let's call it that, guys. That's what I renamed it. And the reason why is I've also created some login ad bridge pages. I got a login ad capture page. This is going to be phenomenal, right? When we get into the login starter ads, because login starter ads, wow, I'm going through all the training. But the point is, They're the first ads that people see when they log into a platform. Well, these pages are strategically designed to stop those people right in their tracks, right? Because we know everybody logging into these platforms. I don't care what they're doing, they need more traffic. Well, the way I design those lead capture pages, they speak specifically to the login starter ad audience. You guys are going to love that. We talk about it. And then, of course, we have all types of actual resources there. You can go and just click and go over to the actual login ad source. You can create and you place these login ads in less than 5 minutes. Okay. And guys, when you take off, you're really going to love this because you can just go inside here and just do what you need to do. Real standard operational procedure, everything that you need. I can't go through everything. I can tell you guys that you want to pick it up for $7.99. They say a product should be 3 times worth its weight in gold or worth its weight in value, i.e. if you're selling a product for $7.99, then it should be worth $21.99. Or if you're selling it for $50, it should be worth $100. I heard Rob Fraser say that the other day, I think. Anyway, the point is this, guys. This is $7.99 one time for a lifetime of technique, tactics, strategies, tools, resources that you can use to start building a list for anything that you want, right? And it's always in flux. It's always evolving, right? This is the big banner ads marketing strategy. 1 million ways to market 2.0. And we ready to go. So that's enough said about that. Just understand, guys, that when you click this button, whoever bought you here, if they have it, you'll be redirected with their information to this page, not mine. Right? You can get it from me for $7.99. You can get it from the person that bought you to this page for $7.99. And then they will, in fact, send you the link to the members area that actually unlocks the product. What does that mean? That means there's no headache, there's no hassle. You'll have the link once you purchase the membership. You control the product delivery. Okay, when people send you $7.99 at Cash App, and PayPal, or Venmo, or Zelle, or in my instance right here, Cash App and credit card, I send them to the members area straight. They have instant access. They own the product. And if they picked up the free marketing system, they can come right here and plug it in and make sure that they direct those prospects to their preferred payment method. It's just that simple, guys. And now, let's talk about a couple of other things that you guys are going to see on this actual page. At the very bottom of this page, guys, now it's time for us to get busy. Okay, it's time for us to get some traffic. And now you guys have everything that you need. If it's just extra money you want to make, you have everything that you need if you just want to generate more traffic. And of course, you have everything you need if you want to do both, right? So outside of the extensive tools and resources that you will find inside of the 1 Million Ways to Market membership, one time, $7.99, I put a banner on this actual page. This banner is the exact size banner that's required to place on Leads Leap. So when we talk about going out here getting traffic, guys, now there's simply no reason, right? You got a totally free marketing system that's totally branded to you. And if you right click on this banner, you can save the image as. It will be, I believe it's 250 by 300. I can't remember, but whatever those dimensions are, I made sure I created it to those dimensions. In fact, let me, if I can still get in the members area, let me show you guys what I've done. Sales page. Okay, I'm not gonna, guys, understand that you have everything that you need when it comes to making this happen. You can go straight to your Leads Leap account right now and place this exact same banner, redirect it to either your capture page, if that's what you desire, or redirect it right back to this bridge page. It doesn't matter. Everybody who's looking for more traffic is a potential prospect. You now have everything that it is you need. I believe I may put one more video on this actual channel, and if actually it's on this page. But one if I don't, guys, here's what I want you guys to understand. Watch this video. I'm going to upload this video to my YouTube channel, right? Because I talked about the email, and I don't know if you guys really gathered that, if you understand that. It's one of the benefits is being a Leads Leap member, but you can create a free email list on your Leads Leap account, guys. And when you upgrade, you can create multiple lists. And I told you that you could have unlimited subscribers. I want you guys to watch that video. If I don't leave it, I'm gonna move one of these videos. So the videos you watch in this video will be taking its place. Another great video. You guys just simply have to get in and watch. So whatever one's not here, know that it'll be on my YouTube channel, which you guys can subscribe to anytime that you want. Remember, I got a banner And that banner is, you can download it. And also, guys, inside of my 1 million ways to market, I show you guys how to do all this stuff. I mean, point, click, over my shoulder, you get to see. Anyway, I'm super pumped and super excited. If there isn't another video below this video, right, on this page, that means I'm done. That means you should be done too. We're following along. That means you're ready to go. That means it's time to get hot. And I will see you guys hopefully in the 1 million ways to market members area.